But you rather make it hard.
Starting to feel some effects of the hurricane.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm doing a video for Junior's little YouTube channel. Wind's starting to blow hard, and here this gas station here, no gas already. Oh, did you notice the shelves in the grocery store a while ago when we were in there? They won't no water in there.
Oh man, they won't hardly no canned food.
No canned food in there, No bread on the shelf, neither one. Well, I should have did a video while we were in there. This is crazy. And the storm barely has left Florida. See how that wind's hitting that tree over there. Alright folks, we about to get some of the weather coming through here. Junior ain't got home from school yet. Actually, they have called off all school after activities for today, so no football practice. Let's hit the road, Keith, man. So let's hit the road. Get you on the video. They got most of the tobacco out of the fields before the rain set in. With the storm coming in, all the farmers would have lost.
Yeah.
They wouldn't have. They would have had to went to the farmers. Would have had to go to the insurance company. So they got most of it out. I was surprised. They did that over the weekend. Some of them were in the fields till way in the dark, getting it out. They didn't plow most of the stalks in the dirt.